Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a gift card for DraftKings. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to enter a gift card or redeem a code for DraftKings, you typically need to follow these steps here. So you need to log into your DraftKings account. So open the DraftKings website or app and log in using your credentials. And then you want to go to the deposit section. So on the website or app, click on the deposit button, which is usually found in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select your payment method. So in the deposit options, choose the method you want to use. If you're using a prepaid Visa, MasterCard gift card, select credit debit card. Then enter card information. So for a prepaid Visa, MasterCard gift card, you will need to enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV number. This is a 3-digit security code on the back of the card. If you're using a specific DraftKings card, if available, you would enter the gift card code as prompted. Then from there, just simply confirm the deposit. After entering your gift card details, confirm the deposit. The funds should be credited into your DraftKings account immediately or within a few minutes. Also, number 6 here, check for promotions or bonuses. If you receive a gift card as part of a promotion, ensure that any bonus or promotional funds are automatically applied or enter any special promo codes when prompted. And we've got some additional notes here that are noteworthy. So regional restrictions. So some regions may have specific rules regarding how gift cards can be used on DraftKings. So be sure to check the terms. Account limits. Make sure your gift card balance is sufficient for the deposit amount you wish to make. Also, gift card types. DraftKings typically accepts Visa, MasterCard gift cards, but make sure to verify whether any other types of cards are supported. Also, if you just run into any issues, you can always contact or reach out to DraftKings support for assistance.